Yes or no? Yes.
chairman has been. You might have met him. Who is Ajit Kumar. Who's a new
Sister Justice Mary Joseph, my esteemed brother and sister judges, Learned Advocate General and Additional Advocate General of Kerala, Learned Deputy Solicitor General of India in charge, Learned Director General of Prosecution, Learned State Attorneys, Chairman, Bar Council of Kerala, President of Senior Advocates Association, President of the Kerala Federation of Women Lawyers, Registrar General and other registrars of this court, Shri K.P. Dominic Francis, husband of Sister Justice Mary Joseph, and other family members, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening to all. We are gathered here to bid an affectionate farewell to our esteemed colleague on bench, Justice Mary Joseph. She is demitting the office on attaining the age of superannuation on 2nd June 2024 after serving for more than 13 years as a district judge in the district judiciary and for more than 9 years as a judge of this court. Justice Mary Joseph was born on 2nd June 1962 at Ernakulam in Ernakulam district to late Shri K.M. Joseph, who was a civilian at Naval Store Depot, Naval Base Kochi, and Srimati Thersimma Joseph, a school teacher. After graduating from the Sacred Heart College, Thevara, she pursued law and obtained law degree from the Maharaja's Law College, Ernakulam. In the year 1986, Justice Mary Joseph was enrolled as an advocate and started practice in civil as well as criminal laws in various courts at Ernakulam under the able guidance of Advocate Shri K. Prabhakaran and Shri T.I. Daniel. After enrollment, in order to acquire in-depth knowledge in law, Justice Mary Joseph joined the Cochin University of Science and Technology and secured master's degree in law. In the year 1993, she was appointed as additional district government pleader and public prosecutor at the District Court Ernakulam and continued such till 1996. In the year 2001, Justice Mary Joseph joined the Kerala State Higher Judicial Services as District and Session Judge by direct recruitment. She had worked as a District Judge in judicial districts of Kollam, Thodupuha, Thrissur, Palakkad and Alappuzha. After serving for more than 13 years in the District Judiciary, Justice Mary Joseph was elevated to the bench of this court as an additional judge on 10th April 2015 along with 6 other additional judges, and on 5th April 2017 she became a permanent judge of this court. Decision making as a judge is challenging responsibility, and Justice Mary Joseph was fully cognizant of her duties. On going through the judgments, it is evident that Justice Mary Joseph's commitment to justice has been unwavering. Her performance is commendable, and many of her cases found a place in law journals. On the administrative side, Justice Mary Joseph is judge in charge of Kollam Judicial District. That apart, she is serving as a member of the Board of Governors of Kerala State Mediation and Conciliation Center from June 2021. Besides, Justice Mary Joseph served mainly as a member of Rule Committee under CPC, Committee for Recruitment of Muslim Magistrate, Committee for Monitoring the Completion of Project and Infrastructures of the District Judiciary, amongst various other committees. Justice Mary Joseph, as I could perceive, is both articulate and resolute in her convictions. She actively participates in various official functions, making her presence known through her involvement in the activities organized by the stakeholders. I also learned that she is skilled in pencil drawing. She has been a hospitable colleague to her fellow judges, and her absence on the bench will undoubtedly create a void. I have no hesitation to state that during her tenure in the High Court, Justice Mary Joseph has discharged her onerous duties and responsibilities in conformity with the true spirit of the oath administered to her. I extend our best wishes on this occasion and congratulate Sri Dominic Francis, husband of Justice Mary Joseph, and all family members for the strength and support given to her in discharging her duties as a judge of District Judiciary as well of this court. On behalf of my brothers and sisters on the bench and on my own behalf, I extend a sincere gratitude to Justice Mary Joseph for the unstained support and cooperation. I take this opportunity to convey our best wishes for her continued good health, happiness, and long peaceful life. Thank you, one and all.
My esteemed brother and sister judges, learned Advocate General and Additional Advocate General of Kerala, learned Deputy Solicitor General of India in charge, learned Director General of Prosecution, learned State Attorney, Chairman, Bar Council of Kerala, President of the Senior Advocates Association, President of the Kerala Federation of Women Lawyers, Registrar General and other registrars of this court, my beloved family members, dear advocates and other staff members. I deeply touched by the kind-hearted words expressed by my Lord, the Chief Justice, with great joy and immense pride, but a heart full of mixed emotions. I am standing before you. I came from a humble beginning, so I believe it is only fitting that I also take my leave in a humble manner. As I stand before you today, I am filled with a mixture of emotions, gratitude, nostalgia, and anticipation, as I bid farewell to my career as a judge. The journey that led me to this moment has been nothing short of extraordinary, marked by countless trials, challenges, and triumphs. Throughout my career as a lawyer and as a judge of the District Judiciary and this court, I have strived to uphold the principles of justice, fairness, and integrity. I have been depending on the ethical standards and values imbibed to me from my parents, from my teachers, from the books, from the society, and the people around me. I have endeavored to interpret and apply the law with impartiality, always mindful of the profound impact my decisions have on the lives of those who stand before me. A judge's career is not a path filled with rose petals. I can say for sure that I need no reminder about the same. Before being elevated to this great institution, I had the occasion to work for 14 years in different districts as a district judge. On 1/12/2001, I started my judicial career as a district judge. I had the opportunity to work in different capacities in different stations. I had worked with different officers and various staff whom I fondly remember on this occasion. I remember with gratitude all the lawyers and officers of the district judiciary and the bar associations, especially with lawyer community of Thodupuzha, Thrissur, Palakkad and Alappuzha districts, with whom I always maintained a great relationship. 10th of April 2015. On 10th of April 2015, I was elevated as a judge of this esteemed noble institution. I had the privilege to share the bench with the 3 senior judges during my initial days, and I was quite comfortable with them because of their true guidance and immense support. I am extremely grateful to all my esteemed brother and sister judges of this institution. I am remember at this moment those who walked this pavilion before me. I also remember at this moment those who walked this pavilion before me. I have strived to uphold the principles of justice, fairness, and integrity. The journey was never easy. If I took back with my sense of achievement, it is, I realize, not due to my capabilities alone, but for the unfailing support, guidance, cooperation, and companionship I have received from my brother and sister judges. I remain profoundly grateful to all of you. I would also like to thank the dedication and sincerity of the Registrar General and other registrars, officers, and staff of this court with whom I had the occasion to interact and work with. But for their hard work and assistance, I would not have been able to discharge my duties. I had occasion to work with the officers of the Kerala Judicial Academy, Kerala State Mediation and Conciliation Center, and Kerala State Legal Services Authority. I do thank one and all of you for your wholehearted cooperation and support, and I request you to continue the efforts we have so admirably carried out. I would like to place on record my appreciation to the Advocate General and other law officers of the state for the significant role being played by them. I do thank especially my private secretary and other personal staff who worked hard for me, even working after their office hours, and without whose cooperation it would have been impossible to function to the fuller of my satisfaction. In my speech on the occasion of my swearing-in ceremony in 2015, I said, I am also conscious of the fact that judicial power is in fact public trust, and that the strength of the judiciary is the trust, a faith reposed on it by the common man. I am equally conscious about the need to bridge law and justice while administering justice, since law is the vehicle to reach the destination of justice. I know deep in my heart that I have fully stood with what I had said on that day. My message to the lawyer fraternity is a heartfelt thanks. I began my journey as one of you. I will always remember with great fondness and joy my memories as a lawyer practicing before various courts in Ernakulam district as well as this honorable court. Many of you still remember me as Betty. You have witnessed each and every step I have taken. My sincere hope and wish is that if my journey inspires even a young aspiring junior lawyer that you can reach any height through sheer willpower and hard work, then that will be my legacy. My advice to the junior members of the bar, who now constitute a vast majority, is to equip yourself with the knowledge of law and present your case in the court of law with confidence and, most importantly, with respect. Grooming under a senior for a few years in the beginning is a must for shaping the qualities of a good lawyer, and I believe it is the duty of the bench and the senior doyens of the bar to give all encouragement to the upcoming members of the bar. I once more express my regard and respect to the senior members of the bar and all members of the legal fraternity, and especially to the lady members of the bar, whom I would say without doubt are the best. The lady members of this bar have an important role to play in the future and preserve the prestige of our High Court. I also remember the advocate clerks who are playing a significant role in the judicial system. I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to my husband, Sri Dominic Francis KP, my son, Advocate Prerit Philip Joseph, and his wife, Advocate Sudhi R., my daughter, Dr. Nikita Mary Teresa, and her husband, Sri Vinit Devasi, and all my family members, especially my siblings who are present here, for their unwavering love, encouragement, and understanding. I also remember at this time my beloved parents who made me who I am today. Their support has been my greatest source of strength, and I am forever indebted to them. I am grateful to God for being part of such a wonderful family. Last not least, but most important of them all, I thank God Almighty and my Holy Mother Mary, after whom I was named, for all the blessings showered on me and protection that has been given to me since I was a child to this very day. My prayers and belief helped me to overcome many obstacles and challenges in my journey so far. While I lay down my office, I leave it with my head held high, with a heart full of mixed emotions. Time will arise when history will judge itself. A time will come when truth shall prevail. I hope the retirement life will provide me enough time to pursue with some of the dreams cherished by me. My ardent prayer to the Almighty is to give me ability and strength to do good till the end. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.